We are pleased to show you the 2013 Juke. The Juke is an adaptable and intelligent ride where handling meets turbocharged performance. This unique, sporty compact crossover fits your personal style perfectly and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.